Hey guys, welcome back to Eating Good with Rick and Jerry. So today we have for you a Champurrado recipe which came from my aunt. So hope you guys like it. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos. You're going to start with 8 cups of water. You're going to set it to a medium heat in a large pan. Add 1 stick of cinnamon, a whole disc of Abuelita Hot Chocolate, and you're going to stir until the chocolate is dissolved and you're going to extract all the flavors from the cinnamon. Now get 2 cups of water and get a 1/4 pound of masa and dissolve it into the water. Make sure there's no lumps left behind, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now you're gonna get this masa that you just made and mix it into the cinnamon chocolate water. Now this part is very crucial. Make sure to stir it constantly. Unstirred masa will stick to the pan and it'll burn, so keep stirring until the mix is thickened. You'll notice when the mix is thickened, just like in this clip right here. You see how thick that is? You're gonna add your 2 cups of brown sugar, or you can add a little at a time to taste. So if you want, just keep adding to your level of sweetness. I don't like mine too sweet, that's why it's just 2 cups. And then add 1 can of Carnation evaporated milk. You're gonna add 6 cups of milk. You can either use 2% or whole milk, preferably whole milk. And you're gonna heat it for 6 to 8 minutes more, and then it's ready to serve. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, again, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Here's our link to the subscribe and more videos. Catch you guys next time.